What is going on, Ben Nation? Is life-changing and wife-changing money just around the corner for you by just holding your Ben tokens and giving it a little bit of time so that the team can work for you? And the answer to that is, I don't know, maybe. I can't tell you yes, because that's financial advice. Can't tell you maybe, because that's kind of advice. But I'm going to show you a bunch of information right now about why you should be excited for the future, and then I'm going to tell you why you're not getting a whole lot of information. So stick around. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the like button. That helps to send this video, and make sure you leave a comment down below letting everybody know that you are part of the Ben Coin movement and that you back BitBoy crypto. Let's get it now. First of all, there is an announcement here from I Am Crypto Wolfie. Not so much as an announcement as a reiteration of things that have happened previously. Habibi come to Dubai. We even have King Ozzy here. If you don't know who King Ozzy is, he is the Vaulted Ranger from the Volt Inu universe, multi-million-dollar holder, another big person out here in the space making waves. But if you have anything, any information that you need to get, please only get it from the Dubai official Telegram. That is the only place where information is coming. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribing to that. And why am I, who's talking about Ben, telling you about Dubai? Well, the issue is 2.5% of all pre-sale. And I want you to look at the balance right here. Habibi come to Dubai. This is the amounts that we're dealing with right here. You can see the money is still flowing in. 2.5% of this is going to be used to buy back on the open market Ben tokens, and 2.5% is going to be used to buy more Ben coin to drop to Dubai, to drop Dubai tokens or to drop Ben tokens to Dubai holders as well, because we want those people. And guys, in order to get into the yacht party, it takes 3 ETH just to get there. 197 slots have already been filled, 53 remaining at last count. So big deal happening right here. Now, BitBoy, be aware of scammers, because there's an important announcement that Crypto Wolfie put out to protect our community only from scammers. All details for the airdrop and contest only shared in the official Dubai channel. So very important right now that this is the play. This is the move right now. You're not seeing a whole lot of information coming out, by the way, on Join Ben Coin now. And there's a reason for that. And the reason is because there's a V2 contract coming. If you haven't heard, if you don't know, and with that comes a lot of different things and a lot of moving parts in order to get what really amounts to very large investors. The Ben coin is going to have to be converted to a V2. With that, there's going to be an airdrop, allegedly at this point. It's still up in the air about how it gets done, but an airdrop of new tokens. The supply is probably going to be reduced to be more in line with today's market. So you could expect anywhere from, let's say, 100 billion to 500 billion tokens, I want to say, something like that, so that when you get to a very nice market cap of, say, 1 billion, then you're going to have like $1, or the token will be worth like a penny, since that's a big deal. You know, a lot of thought going into this right now, and a lot of function going into the smart contract, just so you guys understand. Maybe even some kind of tax to prevent people like Jared from Subway from stealing ETH out of the pool for their MEV bots. A lot of moving parts here. So until that happens, a few things that have to be done. And remember, there are big listings that go, centralized exchanges that come along with that, but all things take a little bit of time. So trade volume, 1.6 million on the day, and the market cap is 24 million. Now, and finally, the price action right here, we're really range bound at this point for the last, this is a 4-hour chart, and you can see money flow came out, but we're having a reversal in the market. And as you guys, if you've watched for any length of time, you'll know that the market tends kind of reverse on Ben. Now, if Ben holds up during a market run, that's a great sign and is indicative of the fact that there's some strength here. But you can see that we wick down here to the bottom of this range channel here, and it looks like we're on our way most probably back upwards. We're still minting these wicks down here at the bottom. When you get a wick like this, that usually means a trend is moving towards the upside. When you get a wick like this, it means we're moving up. When you get a wick like that, it means we're moving up. When you get a wick like that, it means we're moving up. We got a big wick over here on this last candle, so that seems like there's a lot of buy pressure with it coming up. So it is very, very possible that this 200 SMA that you're seeing play out right here might come into play. The logical move here when you have something like this happening is that we're going to come up here and we're going to test the test. You can see the test. You can see the test, and you can see the attempt to break out. So it looks like, or feels like, that's probably what's on tap again. That's a great place for you to reestablish position, because of course we're going to come back down until something changes. Nothing changes, and that means that there's some great opportunities if you are trading on this chart to make some gains. So make sure that you do that. Be very, very careful. Don't lose your position. That's the most important part. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. This is not financial advice. My name is Bleeves. I'm always right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will talk to you again very